What is up, everyone? This is Jeff with Game Day Legends coming at you with our second box of first off the line Donruss baseball. Let's get into it. It is Tuesday. Hope everybody is having a great week so far. I'm going to get this open today because it was just sitting there just saying I forgot to open me this weekend, but I was so busy with my shorts and family stuff that I totally forgot about it. So here we are. Let's get into it. I'm gonna get all the packs out. We're gonna get some exclusive first off the line. We're gonna get one auto first off the line. Memorabilia cards, maybe one or maybe even three. I don't know, but we will find out. So let's get this out of the way and let's get into it. No particular order. They just all feel so thick. That one feels the thickest. But then, of course, we were seduced by the fillers. So let's see what we get today. Our first rated prospect, Jario Irady. I'm sure I said that wrong. All right, and then we got Jim Leyland, manager for Detroit. So tired of seeing managers. All right, here we go. We got Carlos Beltran. All right, let's keep it moving. Pedro Martinez, let's go. And we got Kyle Teal on the rainbow foil for Chicago. Walker Janik for Houston on the optic. Bubba Chandler and Cash Mayfield is our rated prospects. Should be seeing mega boxes, fat packs, and blasters coming out this week, or if not next week. Robin Ventura. We got Dustin Pedora for your Red Sox. We got Andrew Jones. And we got a rated rookie of Dylan Cruz. Nice. And who do we have here? Darren Baker for Washington on the rated rookie optic. Looks like we got a bomb squad. There's going to be Trey Yesevich for Toronto. And our bomb squad is going to be, oh, we got another prospect, Cam Smith. Mike Schmidt. Boom, baby. That thing is awesome looking. Dang. Not numbered, I don't believe. Man, that thing is sweet. I think JV Baseball pulled that the other day. That one feels thick. No, let's just go into it. I'm not worried about it. Oop, sorry about that. We got Pablo Sandoval, Nick York, rated rookie, Miguel Tejada, and Mike Schmidt on the blue rainbow foil at 149. Nice. Tink Heads on the optic. We got, oh, we got Hagen Smith on our Jersey King. Okay. For our prospect Jersey King. Not numbered. Oh, there you go. And it's not game used or player worn. Bryce Matthews and Matt Shaw. Let me know down in the comments, guys, if you guys are going to be picking up a retail. I know Top Series 2's out and Bowman is still lingering around. Maybe you got your eye on Inception that's coming out tomorrow. Pudge. We got Prince Fielder. Ozzie Smith. Nolan Ryan, let's go. Bobby Wood Jr. on the optic. Very nice. We got a milestone of Yadier Molina. And our rated prospects are Thatcher Hurd and Connor Griffin. All right, keep it moving. All right, here we go. Craig Biggio, Jordan Lawler, Catfish Hunter. We got John Schmaltz and Cal Ripken on the foil. Nice, we'll take that. We got Johnny Mize on the foil, on the optic. Yep. All right, and we got Ramirez and Sebastian Walcott. All right, first time I pulled him in this. All right, this feels like a filler. Got something fat in there. Maybe it is a filler. Luke Gehrig. I remember when we got one last time, it was hiding a stained glass of Aaron Judge. Jake Bloss. Terry Francona. No thank you. Seen enough of him. Colt Keith. And then who we got here? Willie Stargell. Nice on the optic. And then yes, we do have a David Shields, Cooper Pratt, and we got Unleashed of Acuna. Nice, we'll take that. That's nice. We'll take that. That is an awesome hat. Sweet. All right, put that over there. We got a Unleashed. I forget who we got, but definitely an awesome parallel to get, or insert. Pee Wee Reese. And we got Acuna again. Nice, we'll take that. Edgar Martinez. We got here Colt Keith on the Starburst foil. Braylon Payne on the optic. Oh, okay. We got Roderick Arias on the Signature Series, 17 out of 25. First auto. Okay, we'll take that. And Drew Gilbert and Jared Thomas. Let's keep it moving. Might be a little bit longer of a video today, guys. Got some awesome content coming up this week. Got Marvel Blasters, more select football, more baseball. Chipper Jones, Jim Rice, Jordan Lawler on the optic. Nice. Dylan Cruz. We got another Unleashed. That's going to be Hagen Smith. Okay, we'll take that. That one's going to be 6 out of 8 on the Dylan Cruz. Sweet. All right, another Unleashed. Hagen Smith, that's 2. Only got 1 last time, so that's pretty cool. Bryce Cunningham and Sasaki. All right. Man, I love this product. I've always been a fan of Donruss. And Jacob Wilson. There you go. Shout out Vegas Sean. Kumar Rocker on the Raider rookie. We'll take it. Ryan Braun. Mike Lucina. We got here, we got Brooks Lee at a 250. Sweet. Over there. There you go. We got Chase Burns on the rated prospect. We got Braylon Payne and Chase DeLauder on our rated prospects. Bert Campaneris, Sammy Sosa, Billy Martin, Greg Maddux, Catfish Hunter on the Optic, Roman Anthony, okay, on the Elite Series. There you go. Put that one aside for old guy. And we got Roby and Owen Cassie. All right. Still looking for 2 more autos. Maybe some more first off the lines. Aaron Judge. Maybe even a case hit. That'd be nice to get one of those whammies. Bobby Miller. Mariano Rivera. Reggie Jackson. And who we have here? Slade Caldwell on the rainbow. Not numbered. Chase DeLauder. Walker Janik. And Tink Hintz. Shoot. All right. 2 more stacks to go. Looking pretty good with the hits. I really like to get a super auto here. We got something back there. Buster Posey. Looks like another bomb squad. Tony Perez. Junior Caminero. Mike Schmidt. We got here Andrew Walters. Another bomb squad of Seaver King. All right. Not numbered. And Carson Williams and Dalton Rushing. All right. Here we go. We got Ken Griffey Jr., Randy Johnson, Albert Pujols, Spencer Arrighetti. We got Andrew Jones at 250. Okay. Thomas Segis, Ray Rookie on the Optic. Brooke Wilkin and Brody Brecht. Let's see what we got here. Cal Ripken, Thomas Segis, Johnny Mize, Bucky Dent, Tim Hudson for the A's. Ooh, Spencer Jones out of 199. Dang, that thing is awesome looking. Take that. Put that in the Jersey King right there. All right, then we got Charlie Condon and Ben Hess. Plus, we also have a mail day coming up this weekend too. Spotlighting a couple channels. Zebby Matthews, Tony Olivia, Braylon Payne on the Starburst. That's so cool. Owen Cassie. Seaver King, Levi Sterling. Clark. Got something gold shiny back here. Kobe Mayo. Johnny Bench, let's go. David Ortiz, Big Poppy. As Nick Kurtz, White Jr. on the Elite Series. And Aaron Judge. Man, that thing is awesome. Check that out. Man, we have just been blessed. 1 out of 5 with Aaron Judge. Man, that is awesome. Sorry, Mike Schmidt. There you go. Dang, that thing is awesome looking. 1 out of 5. Crazy. All right, Alex Rodriguez, no thank you. Paul Skeens, nice. Willie Wagner. Spencer Arrighetti on the rainbow foil. Bradfield. This is going to be the orange at a 199. And we got Jose Gonzalez. I'm sure I said that wrong. Rated prospect. Nice. Put up there. Boom. Chase Dollander and Malcolm Moore for your Rangers. All right, one more stack to go. Appreciate everybody stopping by. This feels like another filler. Yep. So it is hiding something. All right, Roger Clemens, nice. Kirsten Waldrop. Jackson Churia. James Wood. John Smoltz. Chase Burns. Billy Mick. Milestones of Reggie Jackson. That is sweet. Not numbered. Awesome. We'll take that. Don't know why that was hiding. But who knows what Panini is thinking. Throwing us off. Got something. We got Pink Velocity coming up. Manny Ramirez. Eddie Matthews. Heston Kjerstad. Jake Peavy. Albert Pujols on the rainbow. Alex Rodriguez. Boo. Is that numbered? At a 79. I'm not putting you up. Not a fan. Spencer Jones and Trey Morgan. All right. It looks like we got one auto left. It should be our first off the line auto. Looks like it's coming up. Deion Sanders, let's go. Brett Lauder, weird rookie. Jack Leiter on the optic. Braylon Doty. Kendall George. Ooh, we got a Marvels of Brady House. That's nice. I like it. Sweet. All right. And Albert Pujols. Okay. Take that. This is going to be 6 of 8. Nice. Sorry, Brooks Lee. There you go. 4 more packs to go. Still one auto left. Let's get it. All right. Alex Gordon. Jim Palmer. Mattingly. Who we got here? Theo Gillen at a 199. No more room. Roby. Ooh, we got a Roman Anthony auto. Wow. That is awesome. And that is going to be 5 of 6. Wow. That is awesome. That is super awesome. Caminetti, old guy with a camera in a dream. We're gonna have to work something out. You're gonna have to give me a good trade for that, because that is a banger. So if you're watching, give me your best shot. Tell me what you got. You know who I like. Jimmy Rollins, wow. And I was thinking, man, I hope I pull a Roman Anthony auto. That is super awesome. That kid just came up, and old guy with a camera and dream that's like his superhero. Ricky Henderson, Adam Wainwright. Oh, what is this? Greetings from Baltimore. Vance Honeycutt. I have not seen this. This is a case hit. Oh, no way. That is super awesome. Wow. That thing looks amazing. Dang. This box is super awesome. Franklin Arias. Dylan Head. Alright. Mike Piazza. Michael Young. Jim Thome. Brooks Lee. That dude. Oh. Jim Leyland. I wish they wouldn't waste a numbered card on a Roman Anthony. There you go. Great prospect. And Christian Moore. One last pack. I wish they wouldn't waste a numbered card on a manager, but they do. And they did. And something orange back here. Austin Wells. Evan Carter. Let's go. That's the first Evan Carter I got. Alright, and Jim Cat. Do that for last. Jet Williams, because this is our last pack. And we got a Griff O'Farrell. Ooh, another Marvels. And we got a clear. God, this is a hot pack. Boom, baby. Charlie Condon on the Marvels. Let's go. That's sweet. This box is better than the first one. By far. Drew Gilbert on the clear. Trey Morgan is our last numbered card. Rated prospect out of 199. Well, there you go, guys. That was my 2 first off the line boxes. You guys let me know what box won. I'm going to say this one won. Even though we got an Aaron Judge stained glass, but we got an Aaron Judge 1 out of 5. We got a Roman Anthony auto, Dylan Cruz, first off the line, glitter out of 8. We got a couple 3 unleashed, and then we got that case hit of welcome greetings. Forget where it's at. Anyways, super awesome card. But thank you, everyone. This has been super fun, and we're going to have retail up next for Donruss, Marvels, and Select Football and Optic Football. Surprisingly enough, I still have a lot of it. So you guys have a great Tuesday night, and we'll talk to you later. Peace.